11th part of resonance and coupled circuits related to unannounced subject EE8251 circuit theory. In this video, in the concept of parallel resonance, we will discuss four questions which is asked in previous unannounced semester questions. Four previous year unannounced questions will be solved here. So let us solve one by one. So question number one, find the value of L at which the circuit resonate at a frequency of 1000 radians per second in the circuit shown in figure. This question was asked in May 2007 for 16 mark question. So if these type of problems will be asked, then you will simply find the admittance of the circuit. So the total admittance which is equal to the admittance of first leg plus the admittance of second leg, that is 1 by impedance 1 by impedance plus 1 by impedance, which is equal to y1 plus y2. So this is 5 ohm. This is nothing but J into XL, because we have to make into homogeneous unit. Here the unit is ohm, here the unit is ohm. So what is the total impedance of this leg? 10 minus J12. So that is Z2. Here what is Z1? 5 plus JXL. So that is Z1. So the total admittance Y is equal to 1 by the total impedance of leg 1, 5 plus JXL, plus the total impedance of second leg 1 divided by 10 minus J12. If we have complex term in denominator, then the problem will be very tedious. So take conjugate of each term and multiply both in numerator as well as denominator. So this term will be 5 minus JXL divided by A plus IB into A minus IB, which is equal to A square plus B square. So 5 square plus XL square. Here plus the conjugate of this will be 10 plus J12 divided by 10 square 100 plus 12 square 144. So at resonance condition resonates. Here the condition is resonates. So resonates means the susceptance part is 0. The susceptance part means the imaginary part is equal to 0. So you just ignore the real part 5 as well as 10. You just take the imaginary part, that is J part, J as well as J, that is XL divided by 25 plus XL square should be equal to 12 divided by 244. So now cross multiply this 244 with XL and the 12 with this term, that is 244 XL should be equal to 25 plus XL square multiplied by 12. So this equation becomes 244 XL 25 into 12, which is equal to 300, plus 12 XL square. Now take this term into here, that is 12 XL square minus 244 XL plus 300 should be equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. We have to determine the roots of this equation. Mode equation 5 gives equation ax square plus bx plus c. So plus 3. What is the value of a? 12. What is the value of b? Minus 244. What is the value of c? 300. So which is equal to already stored. Now the roots are 19.01 as well as 1.314. So the roots are 19.01 or 1.314. But here we have to determine the value of L, not XL. L means the unit will be available in Henry. So what is the value of XL? XL is equal to omega L. So this is nothing but omega L. What is the value of omega? Here 1000 radians per second. So 1000 L should be equal to this value. So L value should be equal to 19.01 milliohm divided by 1000, which is equal to 10. If it comes into numerator, 19.01 milliohm or 1.314 milliohm. So question number 1 over. Next we move into the question number 2. Determine the value of R or in the capacitance leg in the network shown in figure to yield resonance. So same thing. What is same thing? Admittance y. Admittance y is equal to y1 plus y2, that is 1 by z1 plus 1 by z2, that is 1 by first leg 6 as well as j10 ohm connected in series. Before that you should ensure that all the units are homogeneous, that is ohm. Hence only you got exact answer 1 plus 1 divided by 6 plus j10 plus 1 divided by rc minus j2. So denominator we have complex term. So now we have to take the conjugate of every term and multiply in both denominator and numerator, which is equal to 6 minus j10 divided by 6 square 36, 10 square which is equal to 100 plus rc plus j2 divided by rc square plus 4. So now the susceptance part which is equal to 0, that is imaginary part will be 0. So you will just ignore the real part 6 as well as real part RC. Now we have to take the imaginary part minus J10 divided by 136 should be equal to 2 divided by RC square plus 4. Now cross multiply this. Just ignore J here. Ignore the J as well as modulus of capacitance which is equal to minus. So RC square plus 4 into which is equal to 5. So 5 which is equal to 136. So 5 comes here, RC square plus 4 which is equal to 136 by 5 which is equal to 27.2. So RC square which is equal to 27.2 minus 4 which is equal to 23.2 which is equal to RC square. So RC value will be equal to root of 23.2 which is equal to 4.816 ohm. So question number 2 also over. Now we switch over into the question number 3. In the parallel RLC circuit shown in the figure, calculate resonant frequency. What is the formula for resonant frequency? Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. What is the value of inductance? 0.2 into millihenry, 10 power minus 3. Capacitance which is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 6 farad. 1 divided by 2 pi divided by root of L value 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 into 8 10 power minus 6, which is equal to 3978.8 Hz. So resonant frequency is over. Next, bandwidth. What is the formula to calculate bandwidth? Bandwidth is equal to F2 minus F1, which is equal to 1 by RC. 1 by RC is nothing but 1 divided by 8 into 10 power 3 into 8 into 10 power minus 6. 1 divided by 8 into 10 power 3 divided by 8 into 10 power minus 6, which is equal to 125 by 8. 15.625 is nothing but bandwidth. The unit of bandwidth is hertz. 15.625 hertz. So next one, third term. What is the third term? Quality factor. Quality factor is equal to root of R into root of C by L, or R by omega L, or omega into R into C. You have to use any formula here. I have to use R into root of C by L, that is 8 into 10 power 3 into root of C value 8 microfarad divided by L value 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 millihenry. 8 into 10 power 3 multiplied by root of numerator 8 into 10 power minus 6 divided by denominator 0.2 10 power minus 3, which is equal to 1600 is nothing but the quality factor of this circuit. So resonant frequency, bandwidth as well as quality factor. So this question was asked in May 2008 for 16 marks. Now we switch over to the question number 4. The circuit shown in figure is resonant at a frequency of 5000 radians per second. Find the value of L. This question was asked in May 2008 for 16 marks. So same thing. Admittance Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2. That is 1 by Z1 plus Z2. What is the total impedance of first leg? Which is equal to 1 by 2 plus J into XL. Second leg, 1 divided by 5 minus J10. So now take the conjugate and multiply both in numerator as well as denominator. 2 minus JXL divided by 2 square 4 plus XL square plus 5 plus J10 divided by 5 square 25 divided by 100. So now at resonance, the susceptance is equal to 0. Susceptance, that is imaginary part, should be equal to 0. So ignore the real part, Now the remaining part will be minus XL by 4 plus XL square should be equal to 10 divided by 125. Now cross multiply these two. Minus 125 XL should be equal to 40 plus 10 XL square. Take this term into rightmost side. 10 XL square plus 125 XL plus 40 should be equal to 0. We have to determine the root for this quadratic equation. Solving these equations with calculator, we will find the XL value should be equal to 12.17 ohm or 0.328 ohm. So XL is nothing but omega L. Omega value is given, that is 5000 radians per second. So L is equal to 12.17 by 5000 Henry or 0.328 by 5000 Henry, which is equal to 2.434 millihenry or 66 millihenry. So with this we conclude parallel resonance. In this video almost we solve 4 previous unionized questions. All are 16 mark questions. So thank you very much friends.